what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to offer gratitude or apologize or request to someone or to something. So let's begin. So how to accept or refuse an offer? So there are two ways of speaking English or accepting or refusing. One is informal and the second is formal. So in the informal way, in general way, when we are talking to our friends, family, we must say yes please, and for refusing we should say no thanks. Yes, why not? And for refusing, no, not at the moment. And in the formal way, formal in the sense when we are talking to our teacher, or when we are talking to our office colleague or our boss, we must say yes, that would be lovely. No, I'm alright, thank you. I'd love one. Thank you very much, but I just had one. Okay? So next is how to express gratitude. In informal way, we say ta, cheers, thanks or thanks a lot. And in formal way, we say thank you very much obliged, or I really appreciate it. So when someone is expressing their gratitude, how should we react? How you respond to an expression of gratitude? For informal way, when someone is saying thanks or thanks a lot, we must say no problem, anytime. And in formal way, we should say you are welcome, not at all, don't mention it. Now next topic is how to apologize. In informal way, we say sorry or I'm sorry. And in formal way, we say I'm terribly sorry, I do apologize. So how to respond to an apology? When in informal way, when someone is saying sorry, we must say that's okay, no worries, never mind. And in formal way, we should say that's quite alright, no need to apologize, it doesn't matter at all. How to make a request? In informal way, we must say, can I have the salt please? Can you open the door please? Open the door please, would you? And in formal way, we must say, may I or could I have the salt please? Could you open the door please? Would you kindly pass the salt please? So here we are watching that only verb or style of talking is changed. Okay. There is one point we have to note, that the use of can I and can you in informal English to make a request or ask for permission is grammatically wrong. Okay, it is wrong way to ask can I have the salt please or can you open the door please. So because the correct use of the modal verb is can is to express the ability. When we learn or read modal auxiliaries, can is to express ability of something or someone. So that is why in correct formal English, it is better to avoid can for request and permission. Use may I or could I and could you. Here is a best example for using may I. Look, everyone, whether you are Hindi medium or studied in English medium school, whenever we have to ask our teacher for going to drink water or for going to use washroom, we always said, may I go to washroom, sir, ma'am, or ma'am, or sir, may I go to drink water, or may I drink water in the classroom. So this is the best example of using may I to take permission. Next, how to respond to a request. If someone is requesting you, so how should you respond? So in informal way, if someone is saying, can I have salt or can you give me pass the salt? Sure, here you go. Sure, here it is. Sure, I can. I will do that. And informal, we must say, of course, here you are. Certainly, I had be glad to, I had be happy to, or I had be delighted to. Now practice some conversation of informal. How to talk informally. Fancy a cup of tea? Yes, please. Here it is. Thanks. Put some sugar in it, please. Would you? Sure. Here you go. Cheers. No problem. Do you want a biscuit? No, thanks. Oh dear. Sorry, I totally forgot to post your letter. No worries. Can you do it for me tomorrow? Sure. So here we make a request. Okay, we show our gratitude, we offer something, and we are now showing our gratitude and responding to that gratitude. So this is the informal way of talking. It is an example. And now formal. Would you like a cup of tea? Oh yes, please, I had love one. Here you are. Thank you. You are welcome. Could you pass me the milk, please? Certainly. Here you are. Would you care for a biscuit? No, I am all right. Thank you very much. I apologize again for cancelling our meeting last week. But that's quite all right. I really appreciate you fitting me in this week. Not at all. I'm glad we can meet at last. So, did you see the difference? Here we are saying no problem. Do you want a biscuit? And here we are offering biscuit in this way. Certainly, here you are. Would you care for a biscuit? So do you see, did you see the difference? And now may I ask you for a favor? Certainly, go ahead. Would you kindly drop me off at the station after a meeting? Well, of course, I'd be delighted to. So this is the example of conversation of formal and informal way. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe this and give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like to